Immobiliser fitting. It's a 2017 Lamborghini Aventador protected with a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So a thief done a relay attack, copied his key or broke into the house to try and steal the vehicle. As you see, it's not going to start up. Foot's on the brake, vehicle's just not starting. So what the customer can do, this customer doesn't want to do a code, so they can just have their Bluetooth on, phone in their pocket, get in and start the car. And it fires up and they can drive away. No need to waste any time with a code. Obviously, phones go flat, people leave them, they lose them. They want to be able to drive their car. So the Bluetooth's off on this to simulate the phone's not here or we've lost it. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake, tap the start button so the ignition comes on. Now we'll go through a code. For now, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We hear that tone and we can start the vehicle. Customer can obviously choose their own code between 3 and 21 presses in any order they choose. Totally up to them. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and it's a 2017 Lamborghini Aventador. Thanks for watching.